Okay guys, wow, I'm actually out early enough for fog. All right, so we've got the Pentax K-70 with the 18 to 135 lens. Let's see, I just jumped out of bed literally and ran out here to see what I could get. So we're gonna go to, let's go ahead and go to, oops, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to, let's say 100 shutter speed, let's go to F10. Okay, so we are at F10, 400th of a second. Let's see, are we gonna be able to get enough out of this? Let's just take a quick look, and no. So we're gonna go down to about F8, and we're gonna take our ISO up to about 800. F8, 800, let's take a quick shot here. Okay, well, I think we're gonna work out with that okay. So what we've got here is, and I wish I would have got here earlier in the day. Certainly could have got some cooler shots, but we'll take this, get that car out of there. Okay, now we're gonna take a walk. If I could have got here earlier, I could have got more fog, but we got what we got. So let's see if we can get some cool reflections. Need to get over to a different, oh yes, I want to get behind this fence here. Here we go. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. We got the reflection in there, very nice. Okay, get this car out of the way. Get that shot. Okay, and we'll go down. Yeah, we're gonna stay at 100th. And I'm gonna move this down to F7.1 because we do need, once I start zooming, and I don't want to go above 800th of a second, 800th of a second. 1/800, so here's the shot. Okay. And let's get down into these trees. Oh, that's very cool. Very cool minimal shot. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, I'm not sure I got that framed properly. Should have wore something other than tennis shoes. I'll probably go sliding down the hill. Again, thought it would be a good opportunity. Anytime we've got rain, mist, snow, sleet, hail, that's when the Pentax K-70 comes out, because it's built like a tank to handle such things. Oh, I love this. I just absolutely love this. I'm so glad I came back. You know, as is typical, I had nowhere planned to shoot. I woke up, looked outside, and oh my goodness. Matter of fact, I took off and forgot my, oh, here we go. Look at this, just. Okay, make sure I frame these properly. Seems it appears, do I have something on my lens? These are great. Okay, let's see what else we can get down the, because we got some ducks. So I thought I was going to get a bunch of shots, but I again did not have anywhere planned as I should have, and this just somehow, thankfully, I remembered the pond. Don't know how long this old farmhouse is going to stand, because see, they just did a 4-lane road here, actually 5 lanes. And here's a church here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go down to 100th of a second. And then get this shot here. Well, if there wasn't a fish jumping, see if I can get it before the ducks do and before the fish mess it up again. Here we go, 100th of a second. The ducks are just entering the shot. because I wanted to get more of a angle, but those ducks are screwing up the water. I could throw something out there and get rid of the ducks, but that would be kind of tacky. So we won't do that. We're just going to let them, okay, they're parting. One set's going that way, the other set of ducks going that way. And that'll give us, well, we're still, I'll go ahead and take the shot, but I don't like, it's not as calm as I'd like it to be. We'll take it nonetheless. Let's see, there's probably another body of water I need to make a list. Maybe that'd be the good lesson out of this video, make a list and have places ready to go when you have such things as fog like this. Okay, so these ducks have really screwed this up here. Here's a shot. And again, I could use a tripod and these ripples would calm, but I'm not a tripod guy, or I try not to be. Don't want to be, don't like it. Okay, minimalistic shot here is what we're going for now. This is very cool, these trees. Okay, the ducks are gone, so. And I just didn't want the ducks in there. The ducks can be cool, but I want this to be as calm as possible. And it is. Just so neat, just so nice. Just such a pleasant country setting. But I like the trees more than I like this for some reason, I don't know. Here we go, let's get another. This is not the best angle right here for the barn because I'm cutting off stuff to the right. But I love the, back to these trees here. I'm trying to get a good angle. Get a good, here we go. Oh, there we go. This is, see, it's hard from this where I'm standing right now to really center it and frame it properly without getting some intrusion of trees from the left or from the right. Back to our minimalistic shot here. I just love this one. Yeah, from this angle, this is the best, I believe, of this. Go with a vertical here as well. I just love that. That's awesome. So, and there's no reflection here. However, we've got this kind of cool little lake or spillover. You can see the reflection of the tree in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So let me zoom into that. Oh, that's neat. That is neat. Okay, I can make something of that. I have to really zoom in on that. I'd rather walk in as much as possible. Okay, that's as far as I'm walking. So let's zoom this bad boy in. See, right now we're at 50. Okay, here we go. That's nice. And let's pull this out as a horizontal, which I think might work better. Possibly would have worked better with more fog. Okay, I gotta back up here. The further I back up, the more of the tree I get in the reflection. I'm trying to frame it here. Got the tree centered, but I'm not sure I like the centering of it. Let's go this way. Put the tree in the center. Yeah, I'm just not sure. The shape of the pond or the overflow wasn't doing me any favors, but very cool. So I could take, see, now I'm just taking boring shots now. It's like, okay, I could get a straight on shot here of the barn, but something about straight on architecture bores me. And that doesn't frame all that great. And I could walk on out there and probably get better shots of these trees and things, but you know, let's not get too crazy. Okay, so I wasted all of my shoot, basically all of my fog, because it's going to lift here, and it's not as, I mean, it's, you got to have somewhere where the fog's in the distance. It's not close up. So if I'd have been out here a couple hours ago with the street lights on, see, it's almost 10 o'clock, so all the lights are off on timers and whatnot. But I'm very happy with our results. Well, I haven't seen the results other than just back of the camera, but boy, if that car wasn't there, that'd be great. I could still Photoshop it out, but dang it. Let's try that. Yeah, I can still Photoshop it out, but we'll see. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one, guys. Certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking things out. Hope it was, I'm not sure how long this video will be, but hopefully it was informative. And now it is time for, let's see, we had our camera shoot. Now it's time for breakfast. All right, guys, until the next fog, so long, everybody. There we are. That's what we're working with. How about that? All right, we'll see you on the next one, guys.